Morning, everybody. It is the day after Cam's birthday party, so we're starting to bust open presents, right, Cam? So what was your first pick?
This fire truck.
That fire truck. And it looks like, here, let's take a look at the box. Looks like it's made by Advanced Play Toys. We'll have to look up and figure out where you get those from. But it's remote control, and we think that the lights work, and maybe even the ladder lifts, the bucket.
Yeah.
So
The
Cam's...
bucket actually works because look at the back.
Oh, there you go. Cam did some investigating. He found out on the back.
And look, the stabilizers
Come out.
and then the lights.
The lights actually work. So we are going to open it up and find out. Dun, dun, dun. I think this was actually pre-opened because the friend that gave it to us was nice enough to put batteries in it, so it might be ready to go. Can you figure out where the on switch is, Cam? Oh, there's a light on. Maybe there's an on switch on the... Oh, there is. Yep, on the bottom of the fire truck there. Holy moly! Woo! It definitely lights up. Oh, you know what? Yeah, let's take him in the kitchen because he probably is not going to work great on our thick carpet. Wow, that was one tall bucket. We don't think the bucket's motorized. Whoa! Oh yeah, he uses his blinker. Oh no, get to the fire quick! Cam, is this the location of the fire? Don't forget your stabilizers. So we were trying to figure out how the stabilizers came out, and I was turning the truck around, and I found them. Look where they are, Cam. In the back here. Like stored in the back, so you must just pop them out and then put them in the side.
Like that.
Nice. Okay.
Let's go to the destination.
All right, let's go to the destination. We are at the destination, right, Cam?
Yeah.
He's hooking on his stabilizers. How are those to snap on? Easy or hard?
I know. Hard.
Kind of hard.
There.
We are stabilized. We don't want to tip over while we have our bucket up, right, Cam?
The bucket actually
Oh, it's up actually new. I think we have a little firefighter. Maybe we could dig him out. He came with your other fire truck.
Hey, watch out!
Oh no, baby! Oh no! Hey, you got a fire on your head. Can't put it out, don't worry. Fire truck! Is your job done?
Yes.
Nice. Ready to roll out? He folds up his ladder. Pop off the stabilizers. We discovered that the ladder rotates, which is really nice. And the bucket goes up and down. And it's got it balanced all the way up. Do any of these move? Oh, this rotates. Hose wheel. Hose reel rotates. That's right. You get the hose out fast.
The hose is going up, 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 up.
It is. Up, 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 up. For the firefighter, huh? Ready? Awesome. All right, Cam, what?
Take this outside now.
Yeah, fine. What do you think about this toy? Give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down? Thumbs up? What's your favorite part?
The ladder and the bucket.
Ladder in the bucket.
And the stabilizer.
individual answers. Okay, important question. Would you recommend this to a friend? Would you tell a friend to buy this toy or no?
Yes.
Yes? It's fun? Awesome. Anything else you want to say to our friends?
Bye.
Bye, friends.
Bye.